Tom Mitchell, one of the professors in CMU, Carnegie Mellon University, says machine learning is the study of computer algorithms that allow computer programs to automatically improve through experience. If you give more experience, then it improves, it gets trained automatically. So, what does the word experience here mean? Experience means providing more number of samples, more samples of data to learn. For example, if it's learning the detection of spam and not spam of emails, then you should provide more emails uh, to identify whether it's spam or not spam. So this is a simpler definition of machine learning by Tom Mitchell. But there is also a textbook definition of machine learning, which is again by Tom Mitchell. So which is quoted more often, which is more popular. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of tasks T and performance measure P if its performance at tasks in T as measured by P improves with experience E. The first time, actually, honestly, when I took a look at it, it looked very Shakespearean. Then if you split this into task, experience, and performance, T, E, and P, then it made more sense. Let's say if the task is to identify whether the email is spam or not spam, that's task T. And experience is number of emails you have used to learn, and P is a performance metric. Let's say number of emails you have correctly identified as spam or not spam. So if your task is to identify the emails as spam or not spam, and let's say if you have been trained on 100 samples of data and you correctly identified 10 emails as spam or not spam. Suppose if you are given 1,000 samples of data, if you get trained on 1,000 samples of data, then you should be able to identify at least 250 to 300 emails as spam or not spam. That means your performance improves with more amount of data, with more experience for the given task T. Now this is little more clear. It makes little more sense. A computer program is said to learn from experience E with respect to some class of tasks T and performance measure P if its performance at tasks in T as measured by P improves with experience E. So there is a task and there is experience and there is performance. So the simple idea is your performance should improve if you have more experience in doing the task, and it should automatically improve. That is machine learning. Arthur Samuel said, machine learning is the field of study that gives computers the ability to learn without being explicitly programmed. It's so simple and beautiful as well.